Jawar Mohammed, an activist and journalist from Oromia, became a key player from his base in the United States, beyond the reach of the Ethiopian authorities. 4 years ago, he turned his living room in Minnesota into a kind of newsroom, posting and tweeting eyewitness accounts of government abuse for his millions of followers back home, sharing protest tactics and strategies, and using his platforms to help Ethiopians connect.
You cannot imagine this revolution, this change, without social media. People from all corners of the world will snap a picture, record a video, and send it to us through WhatsApp or through Facebook. And we take that, we verify it, we edit it, and we air it back to them. And they take our production and they share it.
Jawar Mohammed was the one central figure that played a very decisive role in galvanizing the protest. He has become a virtual space for the gathering of the message of the protesters who have been silenced, who have been killed, who could not trust the media to tell their stories. They trust Jawar. They send their stories to him, and he broadcasts it back. And you can disagree with him. I have a lot of things that I disagree with him, but you can't deny him that significant role he played in this